What's up, y'all? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. It's been a few days since I gave the last update on Mama Pig. It was Tuesday, today is Friday. And I wanted to do another little update on her. Show you how she's coming along, show you the difference since Tuesday. 3 days makes. Let me turn you around. Hey, big girl. Well, how you feeling? You cooling down? She was just over there laying in her house until she heard me roll up on the mower. And she came out, cooling down in the mud pit. How you feeling, babe? Huh? You doing all right? Can I check you out? Now your boobies are all muddy, I'm sure. Come on, I got some food over here for you. Let's see if we can distract you. Of course, here comes Mr. Flap Flop, seeing what all the action's about. Now, if I had to take a guess, y'all, he's about 800 pounds, close to it. He's a big boy. All right, so let's look at her moving. She's moving slower. Her boobies have dropped more. Let's go get a check on the other side. No really fluids coming out of the vagina yet. She's definitely filling up. Her boobies are filling up. I did try to milk her this morning, didn't get any milk out. Was that the food pile you wanted, girl? And your truck come over and just took it from you. So guys, I've been thinking about going live when this big girl goes into labor. What y'all think about that? Let me know down in the comment section if you'd like me to go live. Hopefully I catch it. You know, sometimes I don't catch it and I come out and there's piglets running around. So if I can catch it, I'd like to go live. If that's something you guys would like to see, let me know. So she's definitely slowing down. Oh yeah, you can tell how much she's hanging now. She's filled up a lot in the past 3 days. She's gonna come over here and cool down. She really didn't want much to do with that food. What's up, dude? Are you trying to cut me off for, man? You want some lovin's? Or are you gonna be mean? It's kind of hard to tell from the camera, but this guy is at least 750, 800 plus pounds. He's thick. He's Berkshire, Hampshire cross, and I am going to be selling him soon. As soon as she pops out the babies and it's got someone else, I'm going to be selling him and getting rid of my breeding stock for now. And I'm thinking about coming back with some heritage breeds in the future. But as for now, I'll just be buying some feeder hogs throughout the year and then raising those. Buying some little baby $40, $50 piglets and then raising them. What that does is it saves me on food. I don't have to pay this big 800-pound behemoth, or I don't have to pay for his food and I don't have to pay for her food. Because if they're not popping out big litters, it's really not conducive, not cost effective, unless they're popping out big litters and you got multiple sows. That's what I figured out in the past 2 years or so since I've been breeding them. That I need more sows to be able to make a good profit off of it. We're gonna cut out that big cost, which will help in our journey to be debt-free. If y'all didn't know, we are trying, look at her taking a big old mud bath. We are going to be debt-free, and this will help the process if we don't have a big feed bill. But after we're debt-free, I am gonna come back and try my hand in breeding. I just don't think I'm gonna do the big hogs. I think I'm gonna do the smaller heritage breeds. We'll see. She's out of her mud bath and now she's eating a little bit. So that's telling me she's still got a little while. She's not eating a lot. She just wants to come and rub on me, but she's too muddy. I won't let her. Oh yeah, look at them. You're dropping good, girl. You ain't got much longer, do you? Big Flop Flop. You getting out of your mud bath now? Alright, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. Get on the other side of this fence so she'll leave me alone. She's too muddy. She wants to rub all over me. Some of y'all probably heard of the doe code. See, the doe code, or the aka piglet code, or the code on the farm is that your mama is not going to give birth until you're really not ready for it. You could be ready for a long time and then got something planned. Now it's time for her to go into labor. So since we have something planned for the weekend, we're supposed to be going to Greenville, North Carolina, visit with my wife's family and our niece Piper's birthday party. But if the doe code, or the sow code as I like to call it, is true, she'll probably go into labor Saturday night, something like that. Maybe tomorrow night, Sunday. We'll see. I definitely don't feel good leaving her when she's so close, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, y'all, that was the update on Mama. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see the live, if I can get it live. I think that would be pretty cool. If y'all enjoy that, I'll try to set that up. And please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Later, y'all.